your belly so you don't bleed, okay?
She is so proud.
I don't think that fits bigger. I think she just stretched it out a little bit more for me. This one is going to be for you guys to take home. This
Oh,
one
okay.
stays with us. Yeah, see, this one she just done stretching out for me.
$600 okay,